Welcome to the ezCheckPrinting virtual printer. Follow these simple steps for a smooth installation. If you're a new client, you can experience ezCheckPrinting and virtual printer risk-free with our free demo version. No credit card required. Step 1. Prepare for installation. Make sure you're logged into Windows as an administrator or a user with installation permissions. If you've previously installed virtual printer on your computer, uninstall it before installing the new version. View the program list by clicking the Start button, typing Add and Remove Programs, selecting ezCheckPrinting QuickBooks Virtual Printer from the list, and then clicking Uninstall. Step 2. Download the virtual printer installation package. Visit the virtual printer download page and click Download Virtual Printer. Once the download is complete, open your browser's download file list by clicking the download icon. Launch the installation by clicking on qbdriver.exe. Step 3. Install virtual printer. If you encounter an alert stating that virtual printer is not listed in the Microsoft Store, confidently click Install Anyway to proceed. Navigate through the user-friendly virtual printer installation wizard. Accept the terms by clicking I accept the agreement on the license agreement screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process seamlessly. Trusted by thousands of clients for 2 decades, ezCheckPrinting saves time and money for businesses of all sizes. With ezCheckPrinting Virtual Printer, QuickBooks, Quicken, and other software, clients can print professional checks on blank stock in-house. If you ever need assistance, visit the support page on the Half Price Off site. Our team is dedicated to promptly helping you. Thank you for choosing ezCheckPrinting. We look forward to making your business management efficient and reliable.